Are you a Pokemon fan? Did you ever wanted to find the illustrious, the natural Bitcoin out in the wild? We'll tell you how to do that in this episode. Tor Constantino, welcome.
Good to be here, Martynas.
Today's first news, I cannot wait to talk about this, Bitcoin Go. I mean, the two things I love more in life than Bitcoin are Pokemon. Bitcoin Go, what is it, Tor?
So the interesting thing about this is the crypto rewards app Fold is created a way to earn Bitcoin rewards by actually hunting Bitcoin in the style of Pokemon Go. Fold's got augmented reality feature that allows users to explore their surroundings while searching for Bitcoin and other rewards. There's also merchant deals that you could find, as well as cashback prizes. The app's waitlist went live today, with a full launch expected later this month.
So basically, I'm waddling around the city. I just point my app, hit a lamppost because I'm not paying attention, and potentially I can find what? Will I really find a piece of, code or Bitcoin equivalent? What will actually happen?
That remains to be seen. What they're saying is that there may be clues that you may find actual satoshis or fractionals of a Bitcoin, as well as like other coupons and other things for your local merchants. I'm sure that's the big tie-in is a way to like drive traffic to local merchants to help fund this project. But listen, I'm as excited as you are. I'm going to join the waitlist. My 9-year-old son and I, no joke, every evening we use Pokemon Go and go to a nearby Pokestop. I've got it right here.
Wow.
And I think that this would be a fun way to introduce him to crypto and get him excited about the space too.
Generations coming together, families coming together, all joined by the power of Bitcoin and Pokemon. Now, Vietnam, basically they're leading crypto adoption. Why is that, Tor?
Well, first, to set the stage here, Chain Analysis issued its Global Crypto Adoption Index yesterday. And the individual investors jumped by more than 880%. To your point, though, Vietnam was the leader of the most worldwide adoption across a variety of different metrics. Rounding out the top 5 were India, Pakistan, Ukraine, and Kenya. So why I think it's happening in these particular countries is to show the benefit, and we can see the benefit, that cryptocurrencies and blockchains are having on these developing economies. They may have a lower base as well, so the increase is much higher.
Loving it. Not sponsored by McDonald's. Anyway, so in other news, and even more excitement. I mean, this episode is just pumped up. Cardano. It's amazing how much it grew over the past year. Cardano hodlers out there, the lucky few, let's just say. How much did the Cardano increase in price over these last few months, Tor?
Well, it's reached an all-time high earlier this month, and the price is hovering right now. I just checked at about $2.15 per token. It got a $1.3 million inflow from institutional investors since Monday, and the number of ADA staking wallets have increased by 24% since the first day of the summer. That's a 0.25% increase. They've got 754,000 staking addresses. It's remarkable how much people believe in this particular project.
And I mean, it's the old adage, think big, get bigger. So this is what I told many of my acquaintances. Should you invest in Cardano? What should you look out for? Look, once you're in the top 10, it's a self-fulfilling prophecy. Now people go, oh, what can I invest in? And it's very stupid psychology, but, oh, Bitcoin, I cannot own a full Bitcoin. I'm not too interested in owning 1/10 of one or 1/20th, but I can own a whole Cardano. Most people can still afford a whole Ethereum, but also, oh, it's so popular. Oh, institutions are into it. That's why you're seeing, it's basic primal psychology, but it's working.
Well, and the other thing that's working is the development team. They are auditing, they are applying a peer review strategy to each step and each milestone. They are really building it right. They're measuring twice, cutting once. And I think that that's one of the things that is instilling confidence in institutional investors. And it's great to see Cardano continuing to grow. But one point of order, just so we know, Don't be surprised if after the smart contracts join the mainnet on September 12th, if we see a dip or a bit of a pullback. Classic, buy the rumor, sell the news. Don't be surprised.
To use another quote from a great song, what goes up must go down. Anyway, now, Nvidia. Chip sales growth is on the horizon. Well, this is expected, right? Mining, gaming is on the rise, and Nvidia cards are usually just bloody expensive. It's bloody expensive to be a gamer these days in general.
And Nvidia's CFO just predicts that growth in its crypto chip sector, its estimates, which include mining, is targeted at 537 million for the current quarter. That's up 327 million from the first quarter. Within one business segment, that's remarkable. And the proof in the uptake, though, is going to be in the miners. And as more of the China miners that have been dislocated, as they come on board, if they'll be choosing NVIDIA chips for their mining rigs, that's going to be very telling. And as you pointed out, their core gaming chip business is expected to grow 80% to $3 billion as well. At the end of the day, NVIDIA has a great strategy here. If you're not interested in buying specific tokens or coins, this is a great way to buy the shovels and picks for the crypto space.
Absolutely. Great point, Tor. Now, last piece of news, Avalanche. It's an avalanche, god damn it. It's reaching the moon, and actually it doesn't care that the market is going down a bit. It's still it's amazing. 40% in 24 hours, 100% in 7 days, 200% in 30 days. What is the flip side to this, Tor?
The flip side, maybe not owning Avalanche. I don't know. I think, but to your point, I think that this is a great sign and a great signal. The popularity of DeFi continues to roll. We love the idea of peer-to-peer borrowing and lending without banks or loan officers in the middle. And this is evidence of that. And I think that this is a great example of Satoshi's original premise and idea of peer-to-peer interaction without the intermediaries or the barriers that kept people from economic equality in the past. It's great.
Absolutely. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you for watching this episode of Flipside Crypto. Join us tomorrow. Like, share, subscribe. And also, if you want to find out more about any of these stories, go to DailyCoin.com. Thank you, Tor. See you tomorrow.